teach this to you last time, but I'm going to show you something called a gallon house. This is not anything to do with a lesson.
Okay.
But I wanted to show you this because, do y'all, anybody know Noah Harab?
Yes.
Okay.
Noah.
Now, he went here to school here 2 years ago, or last year, I can't even remember now. Anyway, I was at his house probably a month ago or so, and he said, Miss Parov, I want you to help me with math. I was like, okay, I started helping him. Anyway, he said, guess what I learned while I was in public school? And I wish we'd have known this while I was in your class. And I was like, what is that? And he said, the gallon house. I said, well, what's that? So he showed me, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is wonderful. So, you know how you have to convert pints to gallons, quarts to this, and the way I taught it, I guess, a month or two ago, you had to draw out this long extended thing, and then you had to multiply everything. There's an easier way to do it, and so I'm going to show you that right now. Okay? Everybody draw a G.
Okay, just a second. I'm going to write this at the top. So.
This is the gallon house. The gallon house.
The gallon house. He goes to house of go.
Yeah, he does now. He's in Elizabeth now. Okay, everybody's got the big G. Okay, this stands for gallon. Okay, and I'm pretending like it's a house. Okay, and so what I want you to see is that I have 4 windows in the house. Okay?
No,
those are my windows, but what do you think it stands for?
Quart.
Quart. So how many quarts are in a gallon?
4.
Yes, isn't that cool?
That's awesome.
Okay, next we have people looking out of the windows. So there's 2 people in every window. And what do you think that stands for?
Pints.
Yes. Okay, so what I want you to see is, if I asked you the question, how many pints are in a quart? What would you tell me?
2.
2. How many pints are in a gallon?
8.
2, 4, 6, 8. Good, isn't that cool? Okay, now the next one is
Ounces.
No. The next one is a C, which is cup, and they're going to be the eyes, so they're kind of like squinted. So you're just kind of have to use your imagination. Little bitty C's inside of those, right there, inside of the P.
2.
2 of them. There's their eyes. 2 eyes. They're actually C's. They kind of look like...
One of our P's is a cyclops.
Okay, so if I asked you how many cups are in a gallon, what would you tell me? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. See that? If I asked you how many cups are in 1 pint, let's look at 1 pint. How many cups are in a pint? 2, right? Isn't that cool? I just thought it was really, really neat, okay? The only one that's not in here is the half gallon, okay? But all you have to do is just half the gallon house, okay? And that tells you what half of a gallon would be this much. See what I'm saying? This is half of the gallon.
That's awesome.
Got it? So I just draw a line showing me that that's half the gallon. And if you want to, just put an H for half, or just put a 1/2. That'll show you that that's the half gallon.
Wait, are there 2 C's in the P's?
2 C's in every P.
Okay.
Isn't that cool? I mean, it's like really simple, and it totally makes sense, and it's a lot easier than drawing out the gallons and multiplying it by 4. Okay, does everybody know that there's 8 ounces in a cup? Okay, that's kind of another knowledge. It's really not anything to do with this, but there are 8 ounces in 1 cup. Okay, so I wanted to show you all the gallon house.